Georgia with Creative Moments by G. So happy you could stop by today. Today we're going to work with a brand new stamp set that I just got. It's called Sip Hoorah from Stampin Up. Makes the cutest darn cards. Aren't these cute? I mean, perfect for New Year's, maybe a bridal shower, a birthday party. You could have mimosas, right? Oh my goodness, I think it is so cute, and I'm excited to show you how to do it. So let's head over to the crafting table and let's get started. Okay, so here's our card. The first thing you need to do is you need to have a base card. Our base card is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And then what we did is we cut the first mat, and the first mat is 4 inches by 5 1/4. And look at this. Is that cute? Look at those dots. They're like bubbly little bubbles from the champagne, right? Oh my goodness. Well, we are going to put this down on our card, but before we do that, we needed to decide what color we wanted to use to coordinate everything, and we decided to pick up this orange, and I'll have all the dimensions and all the materials on my blog, and that link's going to be in the dimensions below. So look at that after you finish the video. So we picked this color, and what we're going to do with that is we're just going to glue it behind this first mat. So I'm going to get my silicone mat, and we're going to use just a glue pen so that we don't get glue on everything, right? Because there's lots of little holes there, right? And you don't want all that glue coming out. So you can just get that going and then just wipe it across your piece of paper, because we just need a little bit. Okay, and then we're just going to make sure and line that up just where we need it. Oh, isn't that cute? And can you see that? See how it kind of makes a little mark? It kind of just swirls. You get that when you cut all these little circles out. I love that. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put it on our base card. And for that, I'm going to use a tape runner, so we get it exactly where we want it. You know, this is the season for parties, right? This card is perfect for all the parties that you have coming up. Oh my goodness. You know, Christmas, can you believe it, is just around the corner. Oh, have you finished all your Christmas shopping? We have finished all our Christmas shopping. So excited for this time of year. Okay, there we have, oh, it's starting to take shape. I just love it. Now the next thing we're going to do is we went ahead and we used this stamp set, Sip Hoorah. Isn't it adorable? Look at the different glasses. You have your wine glass, your martini, your champagne, and then the cutest little sayings. Hope your big day is just one happy hour after another. Oh my goodness. And then what's so neat is it also comes with coordinating die cut if you buy that bundle. So what we did is we stamped our little champagne glasses, and see how that is stamped right in, let me get that turned right there. Yeah, see how it's stamped? And this little part stamps afterwards. Isn't that adorable? And you can stamp it any color you want. And we also just punched out a circle, and that circle is a 2 1/2 inch circle that we use to punch. So what we're going to do is we're going to stamp first, because we want to get our stamp in exactly the right position. I'm going to stamp on just a piece of paper so I don't get it on anything. And we are going to put it in the bottom left-hand corner. We're going to use our memento. And we're just going to stamp it up. I'm going to stamp off just one time to make sure we're getting what we need. Yes. Okay, we're going to put it right in the bottom left-hand corner and just hold it for good contact. Oh, that looks great, doesn't it? The next thing we need to do is we need to decide exactly where our circle's going to be, and then our champagne glasses. But you know what I'm going to do? I want to also add this circle behind the punched out circle, and this comes from Sweetly Swirled stamp set. I just think that's so pretty. Now, because I used Grapefruit Grove, that's what I'm going to use to stamp. So I'm going to stamp off just one time, make sure it's good. Oh, yep. Okay, I don't want it too dark. And we know it's going to be about right there. So I'm just going to put it right there. Now you're not going to see all of it. And since that didn't come out as much as I wanted to, I'm going to put it just like that. That's how I'm going to put mine. Now I'm going to raise mine up on dimensionals. So I'm going to use some dimensionals that I have. Look at, I'm almost through with this, but I use every last dimensional because you can even use the sides. I know you know that. We've gone over that before. Just use every piece of dimensional. Just come in here and cut the sides and use them. You don't want to miss out on anything, right? Okay, we're just going to put that like that. And I'm going to get my poke tool, and I'm just going to take the back off. Makes it so nice and easy. Okay. We're going to put it about right there. Okay. Next we have to decide where we want to put our little champagne glasses. And I'm going to get some mini dimensionals for that because we have such a small area to cover. So let's see. I'm going to get me a few little minis here and just put them down the center. And then I'm also going to put it right at the base. I don't think you'll be able to see that. Just going to take the back off. Okay, and this first one, I think I'm going to put about right there. Okay, now moving on to the next one. We're going to add some more mini dimensionals. We are having a cold front in the sunny southwest of New Mexico. My goodness, it's staying in the 40s today. Oh, we're about to freeze. Now the next one, let's see, we can put it under, or I can put it down a little bit. I think I'll put it down a little bit like that. Oh, look at that, looking good. Now, of course, we're not done until we add some little bubbles, right? We're going to add these little bubbles. And I think I'm going to add a big one. And we'll just add it about right there. Oh, that looks good. And then I'm going to add a smaller one. Let's see, where did he go? I'm going to add him about right there. Up just a little bit. Now I think I'm going to add a smaller one. Tell you, they just jump around, don't they? Over here. And look at that. Isn't that pretty? So that's the front of it. Now, this particular card is shiny and it's metallic, so you really can't write on it. So what you need to do is you need to put an inside on it. So I'm going to cut a mat for it. Yep, there we have it. So we are going to just put some tape runner there. You know, on this tape runner, you really need to be careful when you put it down, right? It does stick. And now we have to put the inside. And on this, we put Sip Hoorah. So let's see what we should use. Sip Hoorah. I'll drink to that. I think that's what I'm going to put. I'll drink to that. You can tell we're in a party mood, right? Okay, I'm going to get my memento. I'm going to get my stamping sheet just one more time to make sure it's exactly how we need it. Okay, I'm going to open it up, and I'm just going to put it right in the middle. Just hold it down for good contact. And there we have it. Now, you know what I always say, you can never have too much sparkle, right? No, you can't. So we are going to get out the Wink of Stella, and we are going to sparkle up our champagne. Actually, this is a peach Bellini. Peach Bellini. Yes, that's what we're having, a peach Bellini. So I'm just going over this to sparkle it up. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? Just love it. Well, let me show you. Let me go over again the cards that we made. This is the first card that I showed you. So cute. And on the inside of this one, cheers to the new year. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. We cut out the 2 circles on this one. This one is the peach Bellini. And then we did a completely different one. Look at this. We did a fun fold. We used a martini. We cut out the little, isn't that cute? Look at that. Little olives. And we put, hope your big day is just one happy hour after another. I'll drink to that. Oh my goodness. So cute. I just love those cards. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me today. I hope you like these cards as much as I do. Oh my goodness, look at these cards. Aren't they cute? I just know you're going to have so much fun making them. I just really appreciate your time. I hope you have a wonderfully blessed Christmas, and I hope to see you in the next video. Hey, don't forget, do me a favor. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Well, take care, and I will see you in the next video.